Yeah, so I know I didn't record the first part, but currently, and you know, this is where it got messed up because we went to this event today. But let me show you up front. Okay, so this is how you get the front. Redoing it, and now I'm picking out the back so I can redo the back. But let's see if final results goes in 3, 2, 1 second. Ready, done. Now let's get on for the third. And then finish what we all think about it. We're gonna bring it to the back and then one front. And then this cute thing. Thanks for watching. Bye.